This Swearingen SA226T, also known as a Merlin, flew into the BAS disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales. Now, the process of completely disassembling this aircraft is almost done, and the parts are off to their next mission. Now, the Swearingen Merlin started as a series of modifications to the Twin Bonanza and the Queen Air. By the time the SA226T model came to market, it had a significant number of improvements. New wings, new engine nacelles, redesigned landing gear, a longer nose for baggage and avionics, and that high-mounted trimmable horizontal stabilizer. The Merlin and the SA226T changed what an airplane like this was supposed to be. Now, a lot of the architecture from the SA226T came from the Metro, which was also in development at the same time. The depth of systems on this aircraft and simply how many are flying made this a fantastic project for BAS Part Sales to disassemble and make the parts and components available to the fleet all over the world. With disassembly almost complete, we've recovered a ton of good inventory from this aircraft, including the Garrett TPE 331 engines, Hartzell props, Honeywell RDS 86 radar system, the Garmin GTN-725, dual Garmin transponders, lots of Collins avionics, the Bendix M4D autopilot. This aircraft had a 9-place interior that we removed intact, the landing gear struts and actuators, and so much more from every system on the aircraft. The parts and components are cleared for departure, and we can ship them the same day you order. If we can help you get your SA226T back in the air, call BAS Part Sales.